In this video, you're going to learn two basic things. Firstly, what I like about Yogawave app, and secondly, how to get better with yoga. Hi, this is FitnessPhreek, inspiring you to build your motivation to work out one video at a time. In the end, I'll share with you key benefits of practicing yoga. I like the Yogawave app because after I choose my preferred class, which is core yoga in this case, I get 3 options for the class lengths, which are 15, 30 and 60 minutes. When I have time, I really like to go for the 60-minute class because it comes with meditation, and I am trying to include meditation in my daily routine. With each new class I take, there is a demo of poses, and I've noticed that there are new poses that weren't in the previous class I took, and then it challenges me to try new things as I'm getting comfortable with poses I'm already used to. Getting better at yoga, like any other thing, actually takes practice, loads of practice. So how long it takes you to get in shape with yoga really depends. It depends on the type of yoga, how often you practice yoga, and also if yoga is the only exercise that you do. Yoga is about stretching, posing, and breathing. At the beginning of my yoga journey, I noticed it was quite challenging for me to take deep breaths during the class. But right now, I found out that I'm more comfortable with taking deep breaths for longer lengths of time. This rejuvenation pose is one of my favorite relaxation poses. Besides the fact that yoga helps to get oxygen moving and increase blood flow, I like that it also helps me strengthen my bones and get better sleep. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, keep being your fit self and bye.